This video shows how to separate the year from a date. So here are a number of dates in different format. The formula I will show you can separate the year from the date irrespective of the date's format. Now if you select the cell and go to the formula bar and start the formula by starting with an equal sign and then type year, then parenthesis, and then select the cell with the date and close the parenthesis and then click enter. So as you can see, the year has been separated from the date, and if we drag this formula into other cells, we have separated the year from all the dates here and irrespective of the format. Now as you can see, there is a background formula here in this column. So to avoid the background formula or to get rid of it, we select this data and copy it and then paste here as values. So we paste here with the values. So there is no formula here, and we can if needed, this column can be deleted because we got the year separated from the date. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please do subscribe.